Hey friends, just having my morning coffee here and going through landlord tax deductions. This is the complete checklist for 2026. So one of the reasons that a lot of people want to own real estate is to get tax write-offs, to get deductions, to increase their income. So maybe you're making a lot of money and you're thinking about investing in real estate, or maybe you own rental properties right now and you just want to make sure that you haven't missed any of these deductions. All right, so this is a guide for landlords for 2026. This includes mortgage interest, depreciation, repairs versus improvements, bonus depreciation, QBI, and records. So if you want to save thousands on your taxes in 2026, mortgage interest, you can deduct 100% of the interest paid on loans for your rental property. Property taxes are also fully deductible without the $10,000 SALT cap that applies to personal residences. Repairs versus improvements. Repairs like fixing a leak are deductible immediately, while improvements like a new roof are depreciated over 27 and a half years. Depreciation is when you spread the cost of your property excluding the land. So that means you have to take the value of the land out and you take the building and then you depreciate it at 27 and a half years for residential property. So just a quick note, when I'm talking about mortgage interest, property taxes, repairs, improvements, depreciation, all these landlord tax deductions, I just want to say I strongly recommend that you have a certified public accountant. So I'm not a CPA. I'm not here to give you any of that advice. I have had a very good CPA for many years, and he has helped me figure out how much taxes I want to pay each year. So when you own a certain amount of real estate, you actually can decide how much you want to pay in income taxes. So the next on here is insurance premiums. You can deduct the cost for landlord insurance and other policies. Professional services like write-off fees for accountants. So that CPA I talked about, you can actually write that bill off as well. Attorneys and property management. So of course I own a property management company, and one of the things that you'll see on the income statement that we give you every month is what we charge for property management. So that's a write-off as well. Also travel cost, you can claim up to 70 cents per mile for property related trips. So any travel costs, like if you live out of town, you can actually come on a business trip to North Florida or wherever you're investing in, and that is going to go towards the cost of running that business. So in my case, I own properties in LLCs. Some of them I own in land trust, but in the LLC scenario, let's say that the LLC buys the plane ticket, you travel to Florida, you come visit the property, and then actually what you're spending on driving a car that you own, you can also deduct that for travel cost related trips. So once again, talk with a CPA to get the super details on exactly what you can claim with that. Utilities and marketing, deduct costs for tenant, attracting ads, utilities, HOA fees. And this is new for 2026. The reinstated 100% bonus depreciation and permanent 20% QBI deduction can further reduce your taxable income. You do need to keep detailed records on all of this stuff. If you have 1099s, like if you have a property manager and they give you a 1099 on income, then you need to have those as well. So I have a pretty cool chart here. This is landlord tax deductions. This is a complete checklist for 2026. If you head on over to our website, propertymanagementjacksonvilleflorida.com, we do have that actual chart there, and I'll put the link down in the description here as well. So once again, if you own a rental property, your goal is to earn a high income. I have another video that talks about the return on investment, the net operating income, and cash flow. So if you're getting good cash flow every single month, you're happy with your investment, then you have your personal income that you want to take deductions against. That's where this landlord tax deductions complete checklist comes into play. Hey, I'm here for you. If you need any help with anything, I'm just one DM away. And just let me know.